Okay, so like you make your dominoes and they're matted, they're mute, they don't have that gloss, that shine to them. I'm gonna do a super quick video on how I get my dominoes to shine. Here, something. I'm gonna add a. So stay tuned if you want to see how we do the thing. So these are my dominoes. They're not shiny like I want them to be. They be more shiny. So I have them in a box, and I use this box for all my things. So disregard. So I put them in my box so they don't blow away, and then I spray them with this stuff. Oop. Shiny like this. Insert pic of shiny dominoes, and that's how I do it. Definitely want to and then they will shine. Glossy. Thanks for tuning in. Check in for the next video. Bye.